So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin kabola, isa pong matindi pong rumor regarding sa Ginebra daw na may binabantayan pong Converge guard kabola. At ito po si Alex Stockton kabola, napapabilang na naman po isang trade rumor. At i-predict natin kabola kung ano po magiging final ng Munzon to TNT trade package. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe po, ipindot naman po yung subscription button. So let's start po with this one. So meron nga pong page sa Facebook na sinabi po kabola na ito daw pong Ginebra currently is monitoring the situation of Alex Stockton po ng Converge kabola. Of course, malamang alam nyo na kabola na nasabi na po ni Boss no bad. Again, alam ko marami siyang hater sa inyo kabola, pero alam naman natin na marami na po itong napatunayan. Ito sabi nga po nga itong si Alex Stockton kabola ay nasa trade block na daw po ng Converge kabola. Pag sinabi po nasa trade block, it means ito pong Converge could be looking to trade him na. Actually, may version pa siya ng post wherein parang ini-imply naman niya is that Stockton is asking for a trade kabola. So, the possibility talaga na matatrade siya ay talagang mataas na rin po kabola. So, yun nga daw yung minomonitor po ng kasama ang pangalan po ni Stockton ngayon sa mga trade rumors kabola. Kasi down talaga yung minutes siya dito sa Governor's Cup. He is now at 18.1 minutes and struggling siya. 6.1 points and 39% shooting kabola. Ito pong si Stockton. Although again, he's still doing his best to play sa sistema po ni Governor Delta. And of course, alam naman natin na nag-struggle sila. May 4 straight loss sila kabola. Now, ang tanong dyan, kailangan po ba siya ng Ginebra kabola? Knowing that, sabi po ng marami, nung akin na post ito as an article, kabola, is that marami na silang guard. And in a way, of course, they have Aberientos, Thompson is away, a guard, Knight Pinto is there, Holt can also be your ball handler, kabola. So yes, marami na po sila who can handle the ball. That is true, kabola. Pero again, ulit ko na po itong sinabi sa mga discussions po natin ng mga teams, mahirap pa rin po, or kung may mahanap ka po na player that can create his shots kabola like Stockton, although I do not consider Stockton to be that full game or entire game creator kabola, pero the guy can create his shots kabola and can be your main creator for a period of time. And of course, we know, we have heard your criticism mga Ginebra fans about players of Ginebra having this dinadaga attitude. Hirap po silang tumira, and I do not think magiging problema yan kay Stockton. Other than that, reality kabola, Stockton will also bring really a high level of defense. And high level of defense, of course, is a big fan niya, is si Coach Tim Cone kabola. Now, patungkol naman po kay Munzon kabola, of course, ang sabi-sabi pa rin po is that matutuloy po yung train niya sa TNT. So, what I did is try to analyze kung ano sa palagay ko yung magiging final po ng trade package. And I think it will still have Celso in the 2029 first round pick kabola. At sa palagay ko, madadagdag lang po si Glenn Cabuntin kabola. Which ay narinig din natin nung na-retract po yung trade kabola na isa po sa mga hinihingi daw nito pong Titan na hindi po pinayagan ng TNT. Pero from a few days or after a few days doon sa retraction, I think TNT could still reach this conclusion that giving up Cabuntin could be fine already kabola, knowing nga po yung level ng player na makukuha nila in Munzon. And I think isa pang magiging possible na dahilan kaya mapapapayag po ang TNT is that reality na Munzon is in a way eat up a minutes or a good portion din naman po ng minutes po ni Cabuntin. Cabuntin is a forward, Munzon is a wing forward in a way. So, may overlapping kabola, especially the role. Kasi again, Munzon for me, his biggest selling point is his defense. And Cabuntin is of course a defender po for ito pong TNT kabola. Now, if your question is this good enough? Is this trade package good enough? Kabola, for the trade value of Munzon, I think it's still not enough. Pero malamang marami na pong fans ng TNT ang madidisappoint pa kabola kapag dinagdag po si Cabuntin, knowing that Glenn is a big part of their team kabola, di ba? The guy really develops into this quality role player. Pero overall, I think if the trade will truly happen, an adjustment like adding Glenn Cabuntin could be the key to that one. Now, punta muna tayo sa mga trade suggestion po ng mga fans. And if you have trade suggestions, and of course, if you want to have a comment ko lang po. Masipag po tayong mag-reply, kabola. And again, if you have a trade suggestion, it could be added as a discussion. Tulad po ng mga to. According po kay Remy Paul sa Facebook, si Barroca daw kapalit daw po nung si Sahon niya, kabola. So, possible naman yan, pero kasi ang problema nga lang kasi ngayon, kabola, injured na po yung Sahon niya. Pero of course, Barroca is a proven and could even be considered, di ba? In a way, legend na rin siya, di ba? Hall of Famer na siya ng Magnolia Pure Food franchise kasi part din po siya nung naka-kompleto po ng Grand Slam, kabola. So, malamang hirap din po ito pong Magnolia na pakawalan. Ito pong si Mark Andy Barroca. Another trade idea na binigay po sa atin dito is Christian David trade for James Laput, kabola. Which is, for me, if I'm Blackwater, iwasan ko tong trade na ito. Bakit? Kasi they gave up Cliff Hopia in the free agency. Diba? Who is the one who is taking over the role of Laput. So, kung ito po yung magiging trade nila, kabola, para ka nangyari na dyan, they in a way gave up David for nothing. Kabola, so for me, if I am Blackwater, iwasan ko tong trade na to kasi fans will be able to conclude. Diba? Nakonklud ko na agad eh. After just looking at it, that they gave up David in a way for nothing. And then last po natin is Sahonia for Laput and Javi Deliano. This one is an easy big win for Titan. Kung ito pong offer na Magnolia, knowing na baka maisip ng Magnolia, wala na din naman sila nagbibigay ng minuto kay Laput at Javi just to get Sahonia. For me, this is an easy win po for Titan. First, Laput is a big man, Javi is a wingman, again guard. Demand and supply po tayo is the least need po na position, kabola. So if they can get Laput, I think I'm still very high, and then po yung mga popular pa po na mga analysis na dito. Unless of course nangyari. Moving trade, stock player, sorry, it's broken right, happening soon. Galingan nyo magulan yan, sabi na kabola. And one popular po na read for this one, yung stock is referring to Alex Stockton, and I think this one is currently unanimously agreed na yung stock is referring to Stockton. It's broken right. For this one, they use Macho right. And I think alam naman natin or obvious naman kung bakit. Because right, di ba? Right to right. Nabi dito, di ba? And then the happening soon, they also took that as a clue kay Joshua Munson. So, they are referring to a potential 3-team trade, kabola. Where in Stockton will be traded by Converge, Wright will be traded by Phoenix, and Munzon will be traded by Titan. My problem with this one, kabola, is that Wright is already signed po in a team sa Japan. So, kung sino may makakuha Wright, either Titan po yan, kabola, or ito pong si TNT, is they are not getting him to play in the next tournament, sa Philippine Cup or sa next season. Kabola, they will wait for the ending of Japan B-League, and that make this unrealistic na read. So, abangan nyo ko yung next trade natin sa rumor na ito. So, sa palagay nyo, kabola, ano kaya ang trade na ito? Comment lang po, soba.